आई होप सब अच्छे हो, राइट? ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट। सो प्लीज अपने अपने कैमरास ऑन कर लीजिए, बिकॉज वी वांट कि आपके कैमरास ऑन होने चाहिए सो दैट आई कैन सी यू। बिकॉज आज का सेशन बहुत 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 स्पेशल होने वाला है, राइट? उससे पहले मैं आपके लिए ना एक बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी लेके आई हूँ। कौन कौन रेडी है? यू कैन रेज योर हैंड। ओह, दैट्स ग्रेट। अच्छा, किसको किसको लगता है मैम मुझे ना घर बैठे बैठे ऑल्सो आई वांट टू डू सम, सम काइंड ऑफ, आई वांट टू बी इंडिपेंडेंट और मुझे भी कुछ करना है। आई वांट टू अर्न मनी। किसको लगता है? सबको लगता है? जो हैंड रेस करेगा मैं उसको बताऊंगी। ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट। तो आज हम आपके लिए वही अपॉर्चुनिटी लेके आए हैं। एंड द अपॉर्चुनिटी इज, जो जो हमारे साथ इंटरेस्टेड हैं पेड वीडियोस बनाने के लिए, यू हैव टू मेक अ वीडियो। तो जो जो इंटरेस्टेड है, श्योरली वील बी गिविंग यू दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी। सो इट्स अ पेड वीडियो। आप जो वीडियोस बनाएंगे यू विल बी पेइंग फॉर इट। तो अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो आप हमें चैट बॉक्स में अपने अपने नंबर्स प्लीज अभी फटाफट लिख दीजिए। आई एम गिविंग यू 2 minutes ऑफ टाइम एवरीवन। प्लीज राइट योर नंबर्स इन द चैट बॉक्स, जो जो इंटरेस्टेड है फॉर दीज अपॉर्चुनिटीज। ओ माई गॉड, आई थिंक हमें बहुत सारे नंबर्स मिल रहे हैं। दैट्स वेरी ग्रेट। फटाफट कर दो, बिकॉज वी हैव ओनली अ मिनट एंड देन वील बी स्टार्टिंग विद अ सेशन। बिकॉज आज का सेशन तो हम, आई थिंक, वेट और इंतजार नहीं हो रहा हमसे, बिकॉज आज हम बहुत स्पेशल चीजें सीखने वाले हैं, राइट एवरीवन? आई होप आप सबने अपने साथ कॉपी एंड पेन रख लिया है, बिकॉज आज के सेशन में आपको चीजें नोट डाउन भी करनी पड़ेंगी, राइट? सो टुडे सेशन इज व्हाट? द पावर ऑफ राइटिंग। आपको पता है पहले जमाने में ना लोग चिट्ठियां लिखते थे, है ना? हम सारी चीजें लिख के बयां करते थे। बट आजकल हम वो चीज भूल गए हैं, राइट? बट दैट इज वॉट आप, आज हम ये सारी चीजों को रिवाइव करेंगे फिर से। और हम ये जानेंगे दैट पावर ऑफ राइटिंग किसको बोलते हैं और ये क्यों जरूरी है, राइट? और आई थिंक इससे बेस्ट ट्रेनर तो हो ही नहीं सकती, right? So me trainer, she is one of our oldest trainer and name is बबीता मैम। आप सब ने कहीं ना कहीं इनसे कुछ ना कुछ सेशंस पढ़ाई होगा, सेशंस ली होगी। अ डेडिकेटेड एडुकेटर with over 25 years of teaching experience, and she is a certified IELTS trainer associated with Skin Ninja for the past 4 years। मुझे लगता है जब मैं भी नहीं आई थी ना, आई थिंक बबीता मैम इज फ्रॉम दैट, तब से हैं। एंड शी इज वन ऑफ माई डियरेस्ट फ्रेंड। आई थिंक मैं बस, मुझे कभी कभी लगता है ना कि बस इनके जैसा बन जाऊं ना तो बस बहुत अच्छा है, बिकॉज आई रियली अडोर बबीता मैम। सो वेलकम टू दिस सेशन बबीता मैम। थैंक यू सो मच कि आपने टाइम निकाला हमारी लेडीज को समझाने के लिए।
Okay, yeah. Thank you so very much to Davinder, to you also. Like, it is like, yeah, we are like friends and we are like senior, junior, whatever you say. Okay, but yes, welcome to the writing skills workshop. Good evening, everyone. How are you all doing? Good evening, ladies. How are you all doing? Let me know in the chat box that are you people feeling exciting, or you are excited to learn something new with me today. Are you ready? But one thing I want to quote it here, like, today workshop will not be a monotonous one, should not be a boring one. So how we can make it interesting? By participating in the chat box. Okay? You will participate, 100% participation I need. And participation will be possible if your cameras will be on. Because I will give the chance to speak also if your cameras will be on, then only. So please make it sure that you switch on your cameras. Okay? Yes. How is the Josh, everyone? Okay, write down in the chat box. Okay, how is the Josh? On cloud nine, feeling excited or super happy or super excited to learn something new in today's workshop? Okay, hi, excited. Okay, so many, super duper happy. Okay, so many responses. Oh, thank you so very much. The chat box is flooded with the responses. That means our ladies are active today, actively listening to me also. Okay, thank you so very much for such a good response. Okay, so let's not taking much of your time. I need to know that what are the four pillars of English? According to you, what are the four skills of learning English? Everybody knows or still do not know? Let me know. If you know that how many skills are there to learn English that are super duper important to learn English. Yes. Who is this? Yeah, very, very right. Very right. Okay, very nice. There are four pillars of learning English: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Absolutely correct. Yes. Which two do we practice more easily? Which two do we practice more easily? किन दो स्किल्स का हम ज्यादा इजीली प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं? और या भी ये भी बोल सकते हो कि कौन सी स्किल्स आपको लगता है इन चारों में से विच वन और विच टू आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टू लर्न इंग्लिश, टू लर्न योर इंग्लिश स्किल्स मोर इजीली? Okay, speaking and reading. Okay, different responses I am getting. Okay, but I am happy that you are responding. Very right. Okay. According to me, do you want to hear from me which skill is more important and which is less? Do you want to hear from me? Okay. Every skill is equally important. Every skill has 25%. If English is 100%, so every skill carries 25% of the weightage of learning English.
बट
Okay.
बबीता मैम, मुझे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है।
Yes.
हम राइटिंग को इतनी इंपॉर्टेंस क्यों नहीं देते जब हम स्पीकिंग को देते हैं? व्हाई नॉट राइटिंग?
Yes, yeah, very valid question and very, that relatable question to this workshop. राइटिंग को हम इम्पोर्टेंस देते नहीं है क्योंकि आजकल बहुत एआई डोमिनेटेड जो है वो टाइम आ गया है। बट मैम आपको याद है व्हेन वी वर ऑफलाइन टीचिंग तब हम कैलकुलेटर नया नया इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था इन
यस
आर टाइम।
यस।
Did you remember that
हाँ
time?
यस।
I don't know whether you are from that time or not, but I'm talking about almost 10 to 15 years when I was teaching offline. That time I used to calculate my 40 students' result on my fingers with the pencil and
हाँ
pen only.
या।
Then my brain was so sharp, Davinder ma'am. I can't tell you how sharp I was, how intelligent. I don't say that today I'm not intelligent, that I cannot calculate. But you know that when we get the comfort zone, we slip into that comfort zone, and that comfort zone becomes our addiction slowly, slowly.
एग्जैक्टली।
Even we do not come to know. And this is a proven fact that I'm telling you, writing sharpens your mind. Do you agree with me? And do you agree with Davinder ma'am questions also? Yes, very right. Yes. So yes. To the coming. Yes. Okay, ma'am. Davinder ma'am.
यस मैम।
Okay. Then four pillars we were talking about. The pillars were, I told you that you are also telling me the pillars are listening, speaking, writing, and reading also. But why we pay more attention to reading, to speaking and writing? Any reason? Can you tell me that why we stress upon these two skills more than reading and listening? Anybody write down in the chat box that why do we give more importance to speaking and writing? Why so? Because they are different. They are practice based skills. And with somebody's guidance, we can improve a lot. हम इसमें बहुत सारी perfection ला सकते हैं with a coach, with a guide. But reading and listening, as far as these skills concerned, you can practice your own also without any guidance. Yes, this is the hardcore truth that speaking and writing are the both skill where a coach can make a difference. You can get the perfection by taking somebody's other help. But otherwise, they are equally important. Okay, now big questions for every one of you. Now tell me honestly. Okay, do you have pencils and pen or papers in your hand? Because today we are going to do many activities that will be based on writing skills. So you will enjoy that activities. I will advise you, if you already have, to sit quietly, sit comfortably, don't need to be panic. But if you don't have, grab a pen, pencil, paper in your hand so that you can also become the part of these
Shall we start,
activities.
Babita ma'am?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so let me know that one big question. Everybody, tell me honestly in the chat box, one question only. Why do we struggle to speak English when we understand it? Everybody, tell me honestly. Yes, I'm
Yes,
getting.
ladies, you have to answer to the Babita ma'am question. Okay, now I think so many of them are
Yeah, they will
answering.
take
Yeah,
time.
because I'm not fear and hesitation. Okay, grammar, communication due to lack of practice. Okay, so I think we have got many, many, many answers. That's very great. Okay,
Okay,
so
what
ma'am,
people are saying, ma'am?
poor vocabulary, hesitation,
Okay.
speak problem, confidence.
Mm-hmm. I'm not getting the PPT, ma'am. Can you help
Uh,
me?
yeah, yeah. You can continue. I'll just say.
Okay. Okay. So I was reading your answer. Okay. Okay.
Thank you, ladies, for so much of response.
खुद को साबित. Okay. Low confidence. Okay. But let me tell you that these are not real problems. Trust me, what you are talking about, yes, can be one of the problem. Low confidence, and whatever you are writing. There are so many responses. I can't read it while taking the workshop. But yes, these are not the real problems, what you are talking about today. Okay, so what are the real problems then? Okay, not confidential. Okay, means not confident. Okay, first think, then speak. Okay, why not? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, very nice. Okay, yeah, keep on responding. I love the responses because you are present over here. I feel so. But the reality check, if I tell you what is the reality check, it is not the knowledge problem. It is not the vocabulary problem. It is not an even expression problem. Then where the real problem lies? Let me know. I told you it is not the vocabulary problem. It is not. Are you comfortable with my language, everyone? Let me know. If you are comfortable with my language, to give me a thumbs up or heart, anything. If you are easy to understand. Okay. Yes. Okay, so yes, we understand English, but why do we struggle to speak? Yes, next slide, please, Davendra ma'am. Okay, it's not a knowledge problem, it's not an expression problem. Next slide, please. Yes, where the problem lies, why does this happen? Okay, I give you one instance here. I give you one example. When you learned your local language, your native language, whatever you speak, Kannada, Malayalam, Punjabi, Haryanvi, or whatsoever, even Hindi also, even Kashmiri, whatsoever you speak, have you learned its rules first and then you started speaking? Did it happen? No or yes? No. Yes. Everybody. Yes. You did not learn the rules first. You started speaking the language first, and eventually you started speaking fluently. Then you started writing, and then you started learning some rules. And after that, you were fluent in your local language. Even at the age of 4, 5, 6, when you started speaking fluently, you started speaking fluently your own language. Am I right? But in English, what is happening exactly? Let me know that what is exactly here happening. Very, very big mistake we people are doing. Can anybody tell me what is the big mistake here I am talking about? Anybody? Write down. Yes, one of the big mistake is translation. Yes, Sarika, you are absolutely correct that we have trained our mind to translate every time. We think in Hindi and we think in our local language and then we are ready to translate. But one more major problem we people have, that is the problem is that, tell me, we learn English as a subject. We don't learn English as a language. Now you will ask me, what is the difference? What is the subject and what is the language? Is there any difference between language learning and subject learning? Yes or no, according to you? Tell me, if you are learning a language as a subject, you are making a disastrous mistake. आप बहुत बड़ी गलती कर रहे हो. You are making blunder. Because हम हमेशा we are running after the rule. We are running after the grammar. But where the actual problem lies, my dear? Let me know. The actual problem lies, we don't practice. We don't concentrate on sentence structures. We don't concentrate on any document structure. We don't know how to flow writing in the, how to make a flow in the writing, in the speaking, or that are totally very closely interrelated to each other. Speaking and writing, they are the best friends. Okay, so that's why we hesitate, we translate in our mind, and we keep our sentences short. Okay, let me know once that you might be getting in your batches, yeah, in your groups, Wednesday activity. Okay, teacher used to share with you, or your trainer used to share with you the activity based on writing something, write a comment in the chat box. Okay, where every Wednesday, every trainer shares an activity or a video on which you need to comment. Everybody, tell me, your teacher shares or not? Tell me. Yes. Okay, everybody is saying yes. I'm very happy that my audience is very proactive today. Loving you and loving the responses also. Yeah, keep on giving. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. मैम एक स्लाइड आके लेके जाना दविंदर मैम, वन मोर नाइस एंड वो वाला one click more.
Yeah.
Okay, one click more. One click more. Okay, one click more. Okay, तो आप क्या लिखते हो वहां पे? नाइस किक, पिक, ये भी हार्डली एवरीबडी राइट्स गुड, और एवरीवन goes with an emoji only a smiley, only a heart. Okay, but what can be done instead of nice pic? What can you write? That's a beautiful picture. This look really nice. I really like the way this looks. This is quite appealing. That's a lovely capture. And instead of good, replacing good, what can you write? That's really good. That works well. That looks perfect. That sounds great. But you do not write. Why? What is the reason? Even a comment has become a difficulty in your life to comment on a video. For example, somebody's happy birthday is there, somebody's anniversary is there. You need to wish someone, but you don't have the good vocabulary. Even you don't have the vocabulary, you do not know how to structure the sentence and then to write in the chat box wherever the comment section is provided. Am I right? Do you struggle in that or not? Let me know that everybody struggles in that. Yes. And do you feel embarrassed also sometimes? What is this? I should not do like that. क्या चल रहा है मेरी लाइफ में? Why I am not becoming pro in that? ओके तो ये एक मेजर प्रॉब्लम है. मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द लेडीज फेस दिस प्रॉब्लम. ओके वन मोर केस आई आस्क यू. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैम स्टॉप शेयरिंग द स्क्रीन वंस. ओके if you need to write to your trainer or your wards teacher a message to take a leave from the school or to take a leave from the session, can you write in an appropriate way that, ma'am, I will not be able to attend the class today because I have to go somewhere urgently. So please allow me to take a leave for today only. Can you write these lines? What you write? Please write down in the chat box how you message your wards teacher or your own trainer if you want to take a leave from your session or your teacher, your wards teacher.
Ladies, you have to write it in a full format. Yes, yes नहीं लिखना, आपको पूरा लिखना है.
बताओ कि आप कैसे लिखते हो और फिर बताना कि आपका इंप्रेशन क्या जाता है आपके टीचर के ऊपर. Where you filled the form that I am graduate, I am postgraduate.
Ma'am, they
जब
have given the
स्कूल में एडमिशन
responses.
होता. So sorry, ma'am.
They have given the responses. I am
Yes.
unable to attend the class. Sorry.
Okay. ओके तो आपको क्या लगता है, आपका इंप्रेशन अच्छा जाता है आपके बच्चे के टीचर पे? आपने पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन लिखा था, आपने ग्रेजुएशन लिखा था, मे बी पीएचडी हो आप, but you are not able to frame a single short leave message only. Isn't it drastic for all of you or for all of us also? Tell me. हाँ मतलब आपको लगता नहीं है कि एक हर चीज जो भी हमने सीखनी है, वट एवर वी आर लर्निंग हैज अ स्ट्रक्चर, हैज अ स्ट्रक्चर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं आपसे एक एग्जाम्पल लेती हूँ, यहाँ पे पूछती हूँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू हैव टेकन अ प्लॉट. Plot means that to construct your home. Okay. And how will you decide that on which part of that plot you will construct a living room, on which part of the plot you will construct a temple, a kitchen, a bedroom, or something else? How you decide? A rectangular or square piece is in front of you. How you decide ki on which part I will construct these things in my home? According to the space. Okay, according to the space. Okay, if space is unlimited and if you don't have any problem, you will construct anywhere your living room, anywhere your bedroom, and anywhere your kitchen. Or do you have some plan going on your mind? My kitchen will be with that in that place. My kitchen should not be adjoining my toilet. Isn't it? Will you consider now? And or you will do one thing, you will hire a designer who will architect who will design your map. And what the designer will do, what an architect will do, they will create a structure of your home. That part, living room. Along with that, a bedroom. This should be in the southwest. My kitchen should always be there because southwest is the best area where I can put my firework also. And this east direction should be my temple only. And this is how you plan a simple plot into your home by deciding which place I will be having my all these amenities which I'm looking in my home, isn't it? You decide, that is how you decide ना everyone. बताओ, सारे ऐसे ही डिसाइड करोगे ना? या तो आर्किटेक्चर को हायर करोगे या खुद से आर्किटेक्चर बन जाओगे, पर एक स्ट्रक्चर तो काम करेगा ना, कि नहीं करेगा? बताओ, स्ट्रक्चर के बिना होम विल बी अ डिजास्ट्रस, नहीं? एक ब्लंडर बन के रह जाएगा, आपको बोलोगे क्या कर दिया, पहले स्ट्रक्चर बना लेती तो अच्छा रहता ना। नहीं, आप सोचोगे ना कि पहले पहले ऐसे ही, मैं आप बोलोगे मैडम का क्या हुआ, मैडम आउट ऑफ माइंड हो गए क्या? क्यों एग्जांपल दे रही हूं मैं आपका? ऐसे ही जैसे हम, मैं आपको ये होम का स्ट्रक्चर बनाने का गाइड कर, वैसे ही इफ यू नीड टू राइट अ डॉक्यूमेंट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू नीड टू राइट एन email, you need to see that how I write an email. Every document has a different type of structure which works the best for that document only. For example, letter writing, different document; message writing, different document; email writing, different document; dialogue completion, different document; picture description, different document. So I am telling you that if you need the structure of that document, then only you are able to write a document in a proper way. आपको पता है ईमेल राइटिंग कितनी तरह की होती है? कितनी तरह की होती है? एनी गेसेस? ईमेल राइटिंग कितनी तरह की होती है? Anybody? I would love to know. Okay, two types की. Okay, two types की. Which ones? Can you specify? Everybody, Momita and whosoever is writing, Kirti, Priyanka. Formal and informal. Very right. Okay. And one more email writing is there. If you are digging deep into the language, then it will be one more type. And that is semi-formal. Formal, semi-formal, and informal. And that is how the letter writing also has three types of letter: formal, semi-formal, and informal. And three emails, three letters have different types of structure, so that you can, for example, आजकल क्या हो गया है, I'm telling you what happens today, that if you want to take a leave, so this is very mandatory in every school, you have to email your class teacher of your ward, or you're the principal, to take a leave. Are you able to write an email or not? You can write email comfortably? Okay. No. Okay. Yes. Okay. So more of the response, yeah, there is a mixed type of responses. Okay. Sometimes, you know that email has a different structure and email has a different type of wording also. Okay. So then how we can shift to becoming a pro in writing, even small daily writing. अच्छा, यहाँ पे anybody from Boost batch, if you have experienced the Boost batch, if somebody has experienced that activity journal writing, have you seen that in that 7 to 10 days, ladies come to us and tell us that in 7 days, ma'am, my speaking has become very fluent and my speaking has gone to another level only in 7 days. And if you will opt a course in which you will have monthly plan, so I think you are there will be a great shift in your speaking also. Okay, so one more question to everyone. What is paraphrasing? Ma'am, shift to the paraphrasing. Okay, stop sharing once, the Vandarma, and go to the paraphrasing slightly. Okay, ma'am, stop sharing once. Okay, I will tell you when to share.
I'm
Okay, what
done.
is paraphrasing? Anybody? So some speaking improve. So my some. Okay. Okay, if anybody wants to speak, I will unmute you and let me know what is paraphrasing. You raise your hand if you know, don't know. Okay, everybody? Okay. No one knows. No idea. Don't. 100 lines paragraph. Okay. No idea. Okay, most of the response I'm getting that you don't know. Okay, no worries. I tell you. Okay, what is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing means saying the same words, but you are not stealing the words from the content. Okay, you have to say in another way. एक ही बात को हम दूसरी तरह, तीसरी तरह और चौथी तरह कैसे कहते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड पैराफ्रेजिंग. ओके, वी डू एन एक्टिविटी. आर योर पेन्स एंड पेपर रेडी? ओके, यस. तो Davinder ma'am, can we have the screen again, please, from paraphrasing? Yes. Okay, who will read for me? Ma'am, please, that slide was okay. Previously, you were showing. Yeah, that one. Okay, who will read for me? Any one of you. Can you read it for me?
Ma'am, let's give chance to Dr. Krupali.
Okay, Dr. Rupali, yes, please.
The traffic congestion is a major problem in the cities. It causes delays and increase in pollution. People waste a lot of time on the roads. It also affects daily life in productivity.
Okay, very nice. Thank you, Rupali ma'am. Yes, what is this? This is the original content. Now, what you need to do, you need to change this into your own words. You don't need to steal words from here. Whatever vocabulary you have in your mind, try to paraphrase, try to change the wording, but provided one thing is necessary here, you should not change the meaning of this para. पैरा का मीनिंग नहीं चेंज होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज यू कैन चेंज द स्ट्रक्चर, यू कैन चेंज द ग्रामर एंड यू कैन चेंज द वर्डिंग as far as you can do. You can play with any word and making into new version. I am giving you 2 minutes. Let me know whether you are able to do it or not. If you are able to do, I will unmute you and you can speak it to me. Okay, your time starts now.
Ma'am, the screen should be stopped or it is okay like that?
Yeah, ma'am. It can be. No, I need the next slide after a while. But they need to paraphrase. They need the screen. What is the question? Question is written, Pushpaji. That is the question that you need to paraphrase. You need to change the wording of this para without changing the meaning of this para. Meaning should be intact. हिंदी में बता दो मंदी. अच्छा, मनदीप का इसका मीनिंग हिंदी में बता दूं मैम? आपको इस पैरा को अपनी वर्डिंग में बनाना है, जो आपके मन में आता है. बट मैं बार बार एक बात कहती हूँ, मीनिंग नहीं चेंज होना चाहिए. अगर मीनिंग चेंज हो गया तो पैराफ्रेजिंग की स्पिरिट किल हो जाएगी. मीना जी, आपको इसको अपनी वर्डिंग में बनाओ. जैसे सपोज आप 3 घंटे की पिक्चर देख के आते हो, है ना, और अपने बच्चे को आके आप 5 मिनट में उसकी समरी बता देते हो. ठीक है, आपने सीरियल देखा, उसका डेली सॉप्स आते हैं आजकल, ठीक है, अनुपमा देखते हो, और अनुपमा का सीरियल का कोई एपिसोड आपकी बेटी का मिस हो गया, तो आप उसको कैसे सम अप करते हो कि हाँ ये था. उसी तरह इसको अपने वर्ड्स में 1 लाइन, 2 लाइन, 3 लाइन, जितनी भी आपको समझ आती है, यू कैन ट्राई. हाँ, this is Pooja to everyone. Traffic is a big problem in city. It makes the okay. Nice try, but many grammar mistakes you are making. Okay, I please, ma'am, show the next slide. Davinder, ma'am. Davinder, ma'am, I'm telling you that how I paraphrased it for all of you. देखिए, like who will read this? Anybody? Come forward and read. Raise your hand who wants to read. Yes, please, Nupur. Nupur, you can read it loudly. Okay, you are not unmute. Okay, Davinder ma'am, give command of unmute to Nupur.
Yes, ma'am. One second, I'm not able to see her. Uh, let's go for Asma ji.
Parul is speaking, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah. Traffic jams are a serious issue in urban areas. They lead to delays and increased pollution. People spend a lot of time stuck on roads. This affects their daily routine and work.
Okay, do you think it is the same one? Looking as previous one? Don't you think that this means the same what the previous para was saying? आपको लगता है ये सेम है, उसके जैसा ही है? मीनिंग चेंज नहीं हुआ पर वर्डिंग इज ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड. इसको बोलते हैं ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. यू हैव ट्रांसफॉर्म द वे यू वांट टू से. यही चीज है जो आपको स्पीकिंग में आगे जाके इट विल ट्रांसफॉर्म योर स्पीकिंग एज वेल. एक और वर्जन बनाया. मैम प्लीज शो द नेक्स्ट वर्जन ऑल्सो. यस, द सेकेंड वन. बीना मैम, वुड यू लाइक टू ट्राई?
Heavy traffic is a common problem in cities. It creates delays and adds to pollution. Commuters lose valuable time during travel. It impacts both daily life and productivity.
तो कैसा लग रहा है? क्या यही वर्जन है जो हमने पहले पढ़ा था, सबसे पहले पढ़ा था, उसी का
No,
वर्जन लग रहा है?
different meaning is same, but different words are used.
डिफरेंट वर्ड्स भी आपने देखा कितने ब्यूटीफुली डिफरेंट वर्ड्स आर प्लेस्ड.
Yes.
है ना? इवन someone cannot even imagine that how differently it has been created. एक और वर्जन होगा मैम? Yes, version 3. Yes, who will read this?
Asma ji, you can read it. Unmute yourself. Yeah.
City traffic has become a growing concern. It results in delays and environmental population. People waste time while traveling. This disturbs their routine and efficiency.
Yes. ये जो आपको रीडिंग में भी डिफिकल्टी आ रही है ना, ट्रस्ट मी, ये राइटिंग कैन क्योर इट ऑल्सो. द पीपल हु आर फेसिंग डिफिकल्टी इन रीडिंग ऑल्सो, this is a way to improve your reading. If you will write correctly, you will speak correctly. Trust me, this is a process. Okay, so now, okay, anybody can tell me that since today, what did you do? Since today, stop sharing once, ma'am. Okay, anybody? Since today, what did you do? Since morning, what did you do? सुबह से लेके आज अभी तक आपने क्या क्या काम करा? टेल मी, एनीबडी. टेक 30 seconds to recall in your mind. You can revive whatever you have done in the day today and tell me that क्या क्या करा आज सुबह से हमने. कौन बोलेगा?
Yes, Aarti.
Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, today I did Durga Puja because today is Ram Navami.
Okay.
And I made eat food some kanyas and kanyas, and after that I made our home, and after then I did some homeworks, and after that I did some study according to my competitive exam and other works also.
Okay, which competitive exam you are preparing for?
Ma'am, I am doing in education department, but I am in private group, so I want to a government lecturer.
Okay.
I want to be a government lecturer.
Okay, thank you. ये आपने जो इंग्लिश बोली, ये इसको बोलते हैं ब्रोकन इंग्लिश. आप जानते हो आपने बोलना क्या है, आप बोलना भी चाहते हो, यू आर स्ट्रांगली विलिंगली यू वांट टू स्पीक वॉट एवर यू वांट टू से, बट द स्ट्रक्चर इज मिसिंग। द लाइव एग्जाम्पल कि अगर आपके पास एक स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है बोलने का, अगर आप उसको लिख के प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते, तो योर स्पीकिंग कैन नॉट बी फ्लुएंट एट ऑल। You cannot become fluent, you cannot become confident, you cannot become flawless. So writing is one part where you people are missing. Writing and speaking both are interrelated to each other, isn't it? आपको लगता है कि practice does not only make you perfect, practice makes you confidence. प्रैक्टिस आपको सिर्फ ये नहीं बनाती कि आप जो है वो परफेक्ट बन जाओगे, प्रैक्टिस आपको कॉन्फिडेंट भी बनाती है। आप कभी भी एक लैंग्वेज यू कैनट लर्न बाय स्टडिंग इट, यू कैनट लर्न अ लैंग्वेज बाय क्रैमिंग इट, यू कैन लर्न अ लैंग्वेज बाय यूजिंग इट। तो स्मॉल डेफिनेटली एफर्ट्स कैन क्रिएट बिग रिजल्ट्स इन योर लाइफ। Okay, so that is my strong recommendation to write every day something. Okay, one more interesting activity. Are you enjoying the activities? First, tell me, everybody. Give me a heart, thumbs up, whatever you feel like. Okay, थक तो नहीं गए? Boring तो नहीं लग रहा? Okay, so this is how you can speak flawlessly. We will be giving you a set type of conjunction, first, then, next, after that, and finally. First I finish my household work, then I help my, whatsoever she has said, she can also write that way, what she did since morning. Okay, next I take some rest, after that I prepare my dinner, and finally I go to sleep. Okay, isn't it beautiful to write and then to speak? So this will make a sense in your speaking also. Okay, so I will be doing one more activity with you, and that is called picture description. Okay, everybody look at the picture carefully, and you need to write at least 5 to 6 lines hurriedly about the picture. Not much of the taking your my time. I will give you 1 minute only to write. Okay, 1.5 minutes also. Keep on writing. 5 to 6 lines on this picture only.
Ma'am, they have to write in their copies, right?
Yeah, they need to write in their copies, and after that we will be giving 1 to 2 ladies chance to speak on that.
Okay.
Your time starts now. Write 5 to 6 lines, or more also you can write if you feel like. 5-6 लाइनें हरिडली लिखी अपने कॉपीज में, और बताइए मुझे क्या लिखा आपने। One guy throwing paper. Okay.
Ladies, you have to write in your copies, not here. आप अपने copies में लिखिए, ठीक है? उसके बाद हम एक एक करके पूछेंगे आपसे।
और comfortably, confidently, relax your mind first.
Yeah.
That this is an activity only, and then write.
एंड ऑल्सो मैम आपको गाइड करेंगे ना, फिर आप अपने ट्रेनर को भी उस हिसाब से बताना, ट्रेनर फिर आपको मंडे गाइड कर देंगे।
Yes.
मैम, इस पिक्चर डिस्क्रिप्शन इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ राइटिंग।
Very much part of writing, and yes, because you know that these types of audio visual things make us that force us to think. So that is why we are taking this as the part of our writing skills program also. If done, so give me a thumbs up. If not, Dickens are throwing the waste in the trash bin. Okay. Many people are writing in the chat box even. Okay,
I think,
anybody
ma'am,
of you
yeah.
wants to? Yes, please.
Ma'am, I think they have done. So should I stop the screen or the screen?
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Can you keep on sharing, ma'am? Once, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Anybody who is there to speak? Yes, Aarti. Okay. Anybody, ma'am, if you can unmute them.
Yes, ma'am, Diksha. Here. Hello. Are you hearing me?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Diksha,
Ma'am, your voice is not audible. Let us
hello.
go.
Taking
Yeah,
down.
I am audible now?
a little bit.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah, go for it.
can
Go
I
for it.
speak
Yeah,
what I
please.
write in my copy?
Yeah.
Okay. This picture shows 4 children. They are putting waste into different bins, and one child is throwing paper into the paper bin.
I think some network issue. We should give chance to some
And
other people.
other
They can-
children are
Sneha ji, let's go for you. Sneha ji. Sneha ji, unmute करिए. Unmute. Yeah, go for it.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, go for it. Go for it.
Okay. It's as I can see in this picture, that it's a bright sunny day. In the garden, there are 4 kids throwing waste into the bin. By doing this, they are showing good gesture and giving good message to the other people. That's a important uh, showing sorry I'm sorry yeah, message to the other people that the importance of the cleanliness. People should learn from them because it's a need of the world now.
Okay.
Thank
Babita
you.
ma'am, can we guide her?
Anybody who cannot write any 2 lines even? And everybody who I was listening to everyone missing the core of this picture. What was the core of this picture? Anybody? Why we have shown this picture to all of you?
You can write in the chat box अगर if you know the answer आप chat box में लिख सकते हैं.
Why this picture is so important to show all of you? Why it has become so important that we need to share this picture with all of you?
4 types of dust.
you must have seen. We need to arouse. आप में जगाना पड़ता है हमें वो चीज. That what you need to write. Now show me once the screen, ma'am. Again. Now, if you are not able to write, we will make you think by asking these questions, ma'am. Once, click on the questions. Yes. What is happening in this picture? First, this should be there. First sentence of this picture always. That why this picture we are showing to you. What is happening? Okay. Who all are there? There are 4 children. What does it show? What does the picture is showing to us? And what is happening in this picture? And most important, why is it important to segregate your trash into different dustbins, into trash bins? Why it is important? Because still we people are making mistake. And what is the core lesson this picture is showing us? By small children, some important lesson is given into this picture. And this is how a picture can be described. Children are putting waste into different bins and keeping the surroundings clean. You were writing one sentence, only simple sentence. But trust me, sentences are not only simple sentence. Sentences are compound sentences. Sentences are complex sentences. A good writing piece should have 30 to 40% of simple sentences, 30% of compound sentences, and 30 to 40% of compound sentences. Means that every simple sentence will not work in your. This is a complex sentence. This is an advanced learning, this is an advanced English sentence. So this is an important learning in your course, that you will learn that how to make your simple English into advanced English as well. Okay, so eventually, that what is the shift over here? If you will practice daily, trust me, your thinking ability will become, start thinking like, that double the time you are thinking now. Okay, and you will be able to speak confidently. You can frame better sentences, and you can use difficult words also, advanced vocabulary. And writing, I always say, writing is silent speaking and speaking is loud writing. They are so much connected to each other, that writing is silent speaking and speaking is loud writing. And then writing, when you write every day, so then your your daily conversations become much, much, much better. And confidence becomes from clarity. Where does confidence comes? Confidence comes from when your mind is clear. And clarity comes from, tell me, if your mind is clear what you need to speak by writing, then clarity comes from the practice of writing. Isn't it? And always you need not to translate in your mind. You should stop translating in your mind, and that day, trust me, you will start speaking confidently. And yes, a small shift of this, you can become a fluent speaker as well as a good writer. Okay, do you want to become a good writer? Tell me, everyone.
I think, ma'am, ladies enjoyed a lot today, and it was very good the way they was, I think during the whole session, they were enjoying a lot and they were participating a lot. So, yes, ladies, I want everybody should be given hearts to Babita ma'am, so that ma'am will be knowing that how the session was today. Oh, ma'am,
Okay. What are
that's
your
so.
takeaways from the workshop? Please write down in the chat box.
Ma'am,
What
right now you're receiving so much of hearts.
Okay, thank you so much. And my big heart for all of you also. Okay, but yes, trust me, if you want to improve in English, generally being a senior trainer in Skill Ninja Academy and having 25 plus years in English teaching, writing is the backbone of learning journey of English. Do join writing courses so that we can help you in a better way. That is my strong recommendation to everyone. Join.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. So let's hear from even Mandeep ma'am as well. And I think she's here. Let's call ma'am, because without Mandeep ma'am, ये session भी अधूरा ही है. So
तो आई थिंक आज के सेशन का तो दविंदर बबीता मैम को मैं पूरा क्रेडिट दूंगी. सो हाय एवरीबॉडी, गुड इवनिंग. आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे सबको देखते हुए यहाँ पे. आई थिंक देयर आर सो मेनी न्यू एडमिशंस जिन्होंने अभी लास्ट वीक में ही हमारे साथ एडमिशन लिया है, एंड दे ऑल आर हियर इन द वर्कशॉप विद बबीता मैम. सो आई एम ग्लैड टू हैव दिस सेशन विद यू मैम. तो मैम
We
कोई
have
ऐसे
our one
इंसिडेंट.
student. Preeti, are you there? I think Preeti is there, who has taken. I want to take feedback from that.
ओके,
Preeti is there.
प्रीति आर यू देयर? रेज योर हैंड. प्रीति गोयल मैम और प्रीति सैनी. वी हैव टू
Preeti
प्रीति.
Sani.
Preeti Sani. Preeti Sani, where are you?
Because I have seen randomly.
Yes, ma'am, I'm
I
here,
have
ma'am.
read her
She's there.
name.
She's there.
I'm here, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm a
How
big
you
fan of
doing?
Babita, ma'am.
After long.
Great. Me too. Me too.
It's
You know,
been a long time I have seen Babita, ma'am.
How are you, my dear? You have done
I'm fine, ma'am. Good evening, everyone.
Yeah, you have done 2 months course of writing with us. Tell us
Yes,
that
ma'am.
how was your experience, my dear?
Yes, ma'am. First of all, good evening, everyone. My dear friend, dear ladies like me. I'm really grateful to be a part of this workshop, and I'm sincerely thankful to the Skill Ninja Academy and all my mentors in my learning journey who support me. And a special thank to Babita ma'am. my first writing mentor who helped me believe in myself and how to construct the sentences. And through this journey, I have improved my writing skills, gained confidence, and learn how to express my thoughts clearly. And earlier, ma'am, I didn't write email perfectly. That time my son was in class 2, and now he is going to pass in third. So now my confidence level is high.
At this level, from here to here,
Yes, ma'am.
the journey was like,
And
yeah.
this workshop truly shows the power of writing. It helps us express how to express our thoughts
Yes,
in sentence.
absolutely correct. And ma'am, she
And
was such a
ladies, I
darling.
highly recommend everyone to join this academy and experience this transformation of journey of a transformation, because it really helped me a lot.
Yes, thank you so very much.
Thank you so much,
Wonderfully, I
ma'am.
saw you and the
I
gratitude.
especially here to meet Mamita ma'am here.
Thank you so very much. Preeti has taken basic course, advanced course. I think lot many things she has done from here, and love to see you again.
Our batch was very first batch, ma'am.
Very first batch.
And I wait for 1 year to take our advanced course, but
Yes.
the validity almost expired, so that's why I joined with other mentors.
Mentor. She was waiting that, ma'am, when will you take? I
But
was not
yes, ma'am.
available because due to my son's marriage. So that's why,
Yes.
yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your lovely feedback. Okay.
Thank
Thank
you,
you so much.
Thank you,
and
ma'am.
we really appreciate students like you who come and join our every workshop and make us feel delighted with your presence. And going back to the workshop, I think बबीता मैम कोई स्पेशल टिप आप देना चाहते हो आज सबको कुछ राइटिंग से रिलेटेड? कोई आप इन्हें एक कोई न्यू रिजीम बताना चाहते हैं जिससे वो अपनी राइटिंग को इम्प्रूव कर सके? सो आई थिंक एवरीबडी वांट्स टू हेयर दैट.
Ma'am, start writing daily at night your diary.
Yes.
That is, I think that is the game changer type of thing. If you will start, even if you write 15 days and 30 days, they can get back to me that how much they have improved. And that will give them the flow. We have the thoughts in mind, but we are stuck somewhere to write. But if you will
Yes.
start writing daily at night your diary, and nobody is judging you there, nobody is checking you there, whatever you are writing. Okay, so that is a wonderful tip for everyone of us also, for them also, that
Yes.
start writing it
So I
daily.
think what Bhavita ma'am is guiding you, that start inculcating a new habit in your daily routine, that before you go to bed, instead of scrolling the reels, instead of wasting our time on phone, take out just 10 minutes. Start your daily. You can make it a personal diary with a pin code or something. Today we have log diaries also. Bring up that diary from any of your store nearby you. I think Miniso पे मिल जाती हैं, बहुत सारे stores पे ऐसी diaries available हैं. सो DIY स्टोर से मिल जाएंगी. सो गो इवन शॉप ऑन द Amazon, आपको मिल जाएंगी. एक ऐसी डायरी लीजिए एंड डेली राइट डाउन 3 थिंग्स. वन थिंग विच हैज मोटिवेटेड यू द एंटायर डे. कौन सी ऐसी चीज थी जिसने आपको पूरे दिन में मोटिवेटेड फील करवाया? सेकेंडली, यू कैन राइट डाउन दैट व्हाट इज द न्यू स्किल यू लर्न टुडे. आज आपने कौन सी एक नई स्किल सीखी? और तीसरी चीज, आज आपने अपनी कौन सी गलती से इम्प्रूवमेंट सीखी थी? सो ये 3 चीजें अपनी आप डेली रिजीम में लेके आए इन द रिटन फॉर्म. ओके, इन द रिटन फॉर्म, नॉट इन द स्पीकिंग फॉर्म और यू आर टॉकिंग टू योर सेल्फ. इसको लिखो. जब हम इस चीज को लिखेंगे ना, वी कैन रिकलेक्ट द मेमोरीज दैट हाउ आई हैव बीन इम्प्रूविंग एवरी सिंगल डे.
मैम,
और आप
आपको
थोड़े
छोटे
थोड़े.
होते का टाइम याद है जब टीचर्स भी लिख के याद कराते थे?
यस,
वो
यस,
सीमेंटेड इन माइंड फॉर लॉन्ग.
एग्जैक्टली, एग्जैक्टली. हम पूरे पूरे आंसर्स लिखते थे, तब हमें वो याद रहता था पूरा. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम थी, वो कितनी बारी हमने लिखी, तब हमारी वो परफेक्शन
और
में आई.
आज भी मैम, आज भी याद है, इसीलिए
आज ही
3 बार
याद
लिखती
है.
थी.
यस. और आप धीरे धीरे नोटिस करेंगे कि आपका वो जो गलती वाली आपका पॉइंट है ना, वो धीरे धीरे रिड्यूस होता जाएगा.
रिड्यूस हो जाएगा.
स्टार्टिंग में आपकी गलतियों वाले पॉइंट ज्यादा होंगे, फिर वो कम हो जाएंगे और कम हो जाएंगे, बिकॉज यू विल बी लर्निंग फ्रॉम योर मिस्टेक्स एवरी सिंगल डे. टुडे आई शाउटेड ऑन माई डॉटर, टुडे आई शाउटेड ऑन माई सन, एंड देन आई रियलाइज्ड आई कुड हैव गिवन द आंसर इन अ पोलाइट वे. तो शायद नेक्स्ट टाइम आप ऑटोमेटिक पोलाइट हो जाएंगे जब आपको गुस्सा आएगा. सो
सेल्फ
स्टार्ट
असेसमेंट हो
इनकलकेटिंग।
रहा है
यस।
आपका।
तो ये आज के राइटिंग स्किल्स से आप अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ को चेंज करें और डेली रूटीन में यूज करें। एंड जो हम आपको होमवर्क दे रहे हैं, स्किल इंडिया इज गिविंग यू द होमवर्क एवरी थर्सडेज, वी गिव यू द होमवर्क। सो दैट होमवर्क ऑल्सो स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट होमवर्क फर्स्ट बाय राइटिंग इन योर डायरी। पहले आप अपनी पर्सनल डायरी में वो होमवर्क को रिटर्न में लिखो, क्योंकि मैम ने तो सुनना है ना आपसे मंडे को। तो आप वहां पर अगर आपने लिखा होगा, आपका होमवर्क डन है, आप उसकी हेल्प से यू कैन सबमिट योर होमवर्क टू द ट्रेनर। So start inculcating these habits, and as Babita ma'am has rightly said, we have designed a proper monthly course of writing, जो बहुत हमने इंटरेस्टिंग बनाया है, बट बहुत लंबा नहीं है, जस्ट अ मंथली कोर्स, जहां पर हम आपको राइटिंग की टेक्निक सिखाएंगे। We will teach you the technique of writing. तो अगर आप उस कोर्स को करने में इंटरेस्टेड हैं, सो वी हैव गिवन द गूगल फॉर्म इन द चैट बॉक्स। सो काइंडली फिल दैट गूगल फॉर्म। आप सबको भरना आता है, इट्स वेरी इजी, यू फिल एवरी इन द एवरी वर्कशॉप। इससे क्या होता है कि हमें आपका इंटरेस्ट पता चल जाता है कि हु ऑल आर इंटरेस्टेड। एंड इवन इफ अभी आप इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है, बट इसको ट्राई जरूर करें। एक राइटिंग कोर्स लेकर यू कैन ट्राई टू इनकलकेट द लर्निंग ऑफ द स्किल ऑफ राइटिंग इन इंग्लिश। तो जैसे बबीता मैम ने बोला है कि इससे हमारी रीडिंग भी इंप्रूव होगी, स्पीकिंग तो होगी ही होगी, प्लस हमारे और बहुत सारे चेंजेस आते हैं हमारे अंदर। एंड दीज डेज बबीता मैम, वी आर मोर ऑफन इनटू राइटिंग। हम व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस करते हैं, ईमेल्स करते हैं। तो आजकल तो वो खत्म हो गया है, सिस्टम ऑफ कॉल सिस्टम अब बंद भी
Yes.
हो गए हैं।
बिकॉज
पीपल आर मोर
वी डोंट
कंफर्टेबल।
हैव वी डोंट हैव लाइक हमारे पास पर्सनल स्पेस ही नहीं है ना कि किसी को
एग्जैक्टली।
कॉल करने के, उसको रीच करने के लिए। तो आई
राइट।
थिंक मैसेजेस आर द बेस्ट वेज दीज डेज।
Best ways. So I think, and expressing your message with the right intention, right emotion, and right thought,
Yes,
that is what is going
absolutely.
to improve by doing the writing courses. So every day, every week, we try to bring us some exclusive skill for your enhancement, so that you get to learn something new with Skill Ninja. And learning it with Babita ma'am itself is a pleasure to have you with us, Babita ma'am, and we are delighted to have this workshop with you. And considering the way you have conducted the workshop, we have a small certification for you, where we want to appreciate you for conducting this amazing workshop on power of writing. So I
Thank
think
you.
everybody sitting over here agree with me that it was an amazing workshop you have given it to us. And आज हमने बहुत कुछ आपसे सीखा, बट आगे और इसको डिटेल में सीखने के लिए आप हमारे साथ आगे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट, जो हमने आज आपको थोड़े से टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स दिए हैं, इन्हें फॉलो करें। एंड इवन यू कैन रीच आउट टू योर ट्रेनर एंड शो देम दैट मैम, दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव रिटन इन माय जर्नल। आप एक बार ही चेक कर लो क्या मैंने ठीक लिखा है। और धीरे धीरे आप उसे ग्रामेटिकली और बेटर लिखना शुरू कर देंगे। जैसे जैसे आप हमारे कोर्सेज करते जाएंगे, यू आर ऑलरेडी परसुइंग कोर्सेज विद अस। कोई लेवल 1 में होगा, कोई 2 में होगा, कोई 3 में होगा। तो आप जैसे जैसे आपके लेवल्स आगे आगे इंक्रीज होते जाएंगे, आपकी राइटिंग भी ग्रामेटिकली और सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन बेटर होगा। दैट इज फॉर श्योर विद स्किल इंडिया। और जिन्होंने अभी तक ज्वाइन नहीं किया है, तो आप हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को देख ही सकते हैं कैसे हमारे स्टूडेंट्स जो ऑलरेडी स्किल इंडिया के साथ हैं, हाउ हैप्पी एंड डिलाइटेड दे आर after having the classes with us. And we always look forward to each one of you to be joining our classes, to be joining our different courses, and be connected with Skill Ninja. That is what we want from you all, कि आप हमारे साथ जुड़े रहें स्किल निंजा के साथ। एंड इसके साथ साथ मैं आप सबको यही बोलूंगी कि जैसे कि हमने स्टार्टिंग में अनाउंस किया था दैट वी आर लुकिंग फॉर सम collaborators, we are looking for people who can join us for podcast. हम पॉडकास्ट सीरीज लेके आ रहे हैं अप्रैल में स्किल निंजा की। तो अगर आप कोई बिजनेस रन करते हो, आप एक इन्फ्लुएंशियल लेडी हो, इन द सेंस यू हैव अ नेम एंड फेम इन योर सोसाइटी, आप हमें रीच आउट करिए थ्रू योर ट्रेनर। वी वुड लाइक टू हैव अ पॉडकास्ट विद यू वेयर यू कैन ब्रिंग अवेयरनेस अमंग अदर लेडीज एज वेल। आपको लगता है कोई आपको नेशनल अवार्ड मिला है, आपने रिसेंटली कोई बुक लिखी थी, आपको कोई स्पेशल फेलिसिटेशन मिली थी कहीं पे, आप हमें बताइए। हम आपकी उसी चीज को प्रमोट करेंगे स्किल निंजा के प्लेटफॉर्म से। और अगर आपके पास कोई बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक है जिससे आप हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को एक अवेयरनेस देना चाहती हैं अपने पॉडकास्ट के थ्रू, सो प्लीज कम अप। दिस इज अ ग्रेट एंड अ गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू। सी हमारे कोर्सेज का फी हम आपको कॉल पे बता देंगे। जस्ट शेयर योर नंबर्स हु आर इंटरेस्टेड टू ज्वाइन द राइटिंग कोर्स। वी विल कॉल बैक यू थ्रू आवर कंसर्न टीम, वो आपको कॉल करेंगे। तो अभी मैं जैसे पॉडकास्ट की बात कर रही हूँ, अगर आपके नोन में भी कोई है, लाइक आई हैव अ सिस्टर, आई हैव अ फ्रेंड हु इज इंटरेस्टेड इन गिविंग अ पॉडकास्ट, आप हमें उनका भी नंबर दे सकते हैं। वैसे तो मैं चाहूंगी आप हमारे साथ पॉडकास्ट करें। एंड इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू टेक एनी वर्कशॉप विद अस, यू हैव अ स्पेशल स्किल, you want to give a workshop through Skill Ninja platform, please reach out to us. And we are looking for collaborators पेड कोलैबोरेटर्स विद स्किल निंजा जो हमारे लिए कंटेंट शूट करेंगे। तो अगर आप उस प्रोफाइल के लिए भी इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो आप हमें प्लीज रीच आउट करें। एंड जो राइटिंग कोर्स के लिए इंटरेस्टेड है वो डायरेक्टली चैट बॉक्स में अपना नंबर डाल दे, माई टीम विल रीच आउट टू यू। एंड बबीता मैम वुड बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू सर्व यू इन द राइटिंग बैच, क्योंकि राइटिंग बैच बबीता मैम ही लेते हैं और उनको जो एक्सपीरियंस है स्किल निंजा में किसी को नहीं है। सो शी इज माई पर्सनल फेवरेट एज वेल बिकॉज शी इज वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट एंड द मोस्ट एक्सपीरियंस्ड ट्रेनर ऑफ स्किल निंजा। वो मुझे कभी कभी बोल देते हैं कि मनदीप बस, मैंने कहा नहीं नहीं आप बस नहीं कर सकते, आपको देखकर तो हमें मोटिवेशन मिलता है। क्योंकि स्किल निंजा में हम एक ही चीज बोलते हैं, एज इज जस्ट अ नंबर, विच इज ट्रूली जो प्रूव करते हैं बबीता मैम हमारे स्टूडेंट्स एंड ट्रेनर्स लाइक यू, जिनसे हमें मोटिवेशन मिलता है कि
Thank you.
हम
It
भी
means a lot for me also. Like you are
करें।
praising me in front of everyone, and
No, no, ma'am,
you
you
are.
have earned it. You have earned it. Me and Ritu ma'am are always gala about Babita ma'am that whatever said and done, she's always so professional in her work. और इनकी क्लासेस की डिलीवरी इतनी अच्छी जाती है कि मतलब कभी ऐसा कोई बैच हुआ ही नहीं हुआ नॉट फॉन्ड ऑफ बबीता मैम। जैसे प्रीति जी ने भी बोला कि मैं आज स्पेशली बबीता मैम के लिए ही आई हूँ। सो देखो हमारे ट्रेनर्स ने खुद अर्न किया है आपके थ्रू, क्योंकि आप उन्हें इतना प्यार देते हो कि वो भी इतना खुश होते हैं और हमें बोलते हैं यार क्लास दे दो, क्लास दे दो, कब बैच शुरू करोगे, वी वांट अ बैच। So, thank you so much to each one of you for joining our workshops on every Friday. Keep joining us, and the next workshop is also very interesting. तो हमारी जो अप्रैल की वर्कशॉप्स हैं वो बहुत ही अमेजिंग होने वाली हैं, जिसका हमने कैलेंडर वी आर गोइंग टू पोस्ट ऑन 1 और 2 ऑफ अप्रैल को। हम अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे वो कैलेंडर डाल देंगे, जिससे आपको आइडिया मिलता रहेगा कि हर फ्राइडे किस टॉपिक पे वर्कशॉप होने वाली है। So don't miss any of the workshops of Skill Ninja because they are so important for you, because it helps you to develop your confidence and knowledge. Until then, all the best to all of you. Enjoy your long weekend, but don't forget to not complete your homework. वो सबको करना है। वो टीचर्स की आपके कंप्लेंट आती है स्किल निंजा की कि होमवर्क नहीं कर पाते हैं, प्लीज उसको करिए, उसके लिए 10 मिनट्स निकालिए एंड स्टार्ट इनकलकेटिंग द हैबिट ऑफ राइटिंग। Thank you so much, Babita ma'am. We are delighted to have you with us today.
Thank you so much. It was
And
really delightful to see many of my students and some of the
yes,
new faces also, like they were supporting me in the chat box and
absolutely,
everywhere.
absolutely.
Thank you so very much, ma'am. I'm really feeling grateful for the platform you have provided us. Like by sitting at home only, we can earn so much respect
Yes.
and
So
making
I
a
think this
difference in any.
all thanks goes to Ritu मैम,
Yes,
जिन्होंने इतना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया हम सब के लिए भी, जो घर
हम
पे बैठे
सबके
बैठे
लिए।
एम्पावर हो रहे हैं। एंड जैसे स्टूडेंट्स लाइक यू हु आर गेटिंग एम्पावर्ड इन लर्निंग, वी आर गेटिंग एम्पावर्ड इन आवर करियर एंड ग्रोथ विद द
Yes.
अकेडमी, और इसी तरह हम आगे बढ़ते रहें। सो कीप ऑन शेयरिंग योर रेफरल्स ऑल्सो लेडीज। आपके नोन में कोई आपकी सिस्टर, फ्रेंड, कजन जिसको अपनी स्पीकिंग और टेक्निकल स्किल्स को एनहांस करने के लिए आपकी हेल्प चाहिए, सो प्लीज रिकमेंड स्किल निंजा अकेडमी, है ना। तो इसी से आगे बढ़ेगा स्किल निंजा। आप अपनी रिकमेंडेशन देंगे, वो हमारे साथ ज्वाइन करेंगे, तो आपको उसके मॉनेटरी बेनिफिट्स भी हैं, एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट्स भी हैं। और हम जो
And
हम
you can pour your love this way also. There are
यस
many ways, and one of the way is ma'am telling you.
यस,
Yes.
सो कीप ऑन गिविंग रेफरल्स। देखो रेफरल से क्या होता है, हम जो हमारे पास काफी लेडीज ऐसी हैं जिन्होंने हमें 10-10, 20-20 रेफरल्स दिए हैं, और उनको हम स्पेशल हमारे एनुअल इवेंट्स में फेलिसिटेट करते हैं विद अवार्ड्स एंड सर्टिफिकेट्स। तो आप भी स्किल निंजा के वो चमकते ट्रेन स्टूडेंट बन सकते हैं, जो नेक्स्ट फेलिसिटेशन के लिए हमारे साथ हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे जुड़ेंगे। तो आपका हम वेट करेंगे।
You never
कीप ऑन।
know, कुछ भी idea once you it can click your life, it can change your life, है ना? You never
यस
know.
यस।
चलो,
So thank you
okay.
so much everybody for joining. Much love to all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Bye.
everyone.
Namaste. Love you
Okay,
all. Bye. और
thank you.
आपकी blessings चाहिए हमें सबकी आपकी यहाँ पे, ठीक है। Thank you. Bye.
Thank you everyone.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Thank you. We love you. Bye. Thank you, Babita ma'am.